Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 1 of your Understanding Social and Emotional Learning course. What is social and emotional learning? The purpose of this module is to serve as a general understanding of what social and emotional learning is and its connection to personal and professional growth. Initially, you will be introduced to the 5 competencies that make up SEL and what they actually mean. In this module, the information will be presented to you in a few ways. One is a short video introducing the competencies, followed by some reading material that provide additional information, most notably the SEL framework wheel, which you are highly encouraged to click on the link and explore further. In doing so, you will have access to additional links and resources to gain further insight into SEL. The activities in this module will be a discussion prompt about your own social and emotional learning experience, in which you will share your thoughts and comment on a couple of participants' responses, followed by a short quiz to check your knowledge. The other activity is the assignment, which should be quite insightful as you will take a self-assessment on your SEL skills, which will give you a better idea of what all the competencies are about, with the opportunity for you to reflect on your skills. Always know that you can ask questions at any time. Hope you enjoy the lesson. We'll see you in the next module.